FZF by default feeds the files under the current directory as its input. You can feed your own by including it in the dictionary as source in the form of a list. These are some of the color schemes that I have. Let's print out the selection to make sure that we're getting the right value. We can use these values to change the color scheme. We can use exec and color scheme together with the selection. We can run this now and choose deuce, and it changed the color to deuce or to Lucario. If you want to get all of the color schemes in your runtime path, you can use this code from FZF-doc. Now, when you run it, you can see that I have like 49 colors. Let me look for Tokyo Night, and that changes the color to Tokyo Night color.